we have that f of 1 equals to 10. F of x plus 1 equals to this. And what is f of 50? Yeah, to do this is a very interesting problem, and I want you to watch this till the end. Now, let's go back to this. We have f of x plus 1, which is equals to f of x plus f of 1. Now, let x to be equals to 1. If x is equals to 1, then this is going to be f of 1 plus 1 is 2, which is equals to, you plug in 1 here, f of 1 plus f of 1. We have this. If x is 2, we have 2 plus 1, which is 3. This is f of 2 plus f of 1. If x is 3, we have, you see, 3 plus 1. We have f of 4 equals to f of 3 plus f of 1. If you continue to do this repeatedly, and you have x equals to 49, because here we have f of 50. So 49 plus 1 is going to be f of 50 equal to f of 49 plus f of 1. Now, if you look at this carefully, you can see that there's just only one thing changing: f of 1, f of 1, f of 1. If you look at this way, the way the series is being structured. Now, to get the value for f of 50, I'm going to use the formula for the arithmetic progression, which says Tn is going to be equals to a plus n minus 1d. Now, what is Tn? My Tn is my f50. So this is the common formula. You can use you can use Fn. Let me use Fn. Yeah. So it's L50, which is what we want to calculate. And my first term, which is A, is what? F1. This is the first term. This is the first term. F of 1, which is 10. And we have common difference, D. If you look at this, you can see that it is only F1 that is changing in each of the terms. So our common difference here is still F1, which is 10. And we have N. Is the number of terms we want to calculate, which is what? 50. Now let's plug in this. So here we have f of 50 to be equals to A, which is 10, plus n minus 1, which is 50, minus 1, times D, which is what? Also 10. And here I have 10 plus 49 times 10. And my F50 is going to be 10 plus 490. And finally, my answer is 500. Thank you very much for watching. If you truly enjoyed this video, click on the like button and follow me for more videos. Thank you.